Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Instagram and tap the plus icon to create a new story. Choose a photo or video from camera roll or tap story to capture live. Frame your content and press the shutter or select the media. Use 3 taps to switch between text, boomerang, and hands-free modes. Tap the sticker square at the top to open the sticker tray. Wait a moment while stickers load and suggested stickers appear based on your content. Tap the sticker icon and select a GIF, location, mention, or poll sticker. Drag with 1 finger to position and pinch with 2 fingers to resize. Rotate stickers using a 2-finger twist and place within the safe screen area. Double tap some stickers to cycle styles and colors instantly. Use the grid and edges to align stickers visually and avoid important parts of your photo. Use the sticker search bar to find GIF using keywords or emoji names. Pin a sticker by long pressing, then selecting the object in a video for duration. Hide stickers partially behind objects by layering them with the sticker tray and background. Save your story draft by tapping the back arrow and choosing Save Draft when prompted. Tap your story to share publicly or select close friends to restrict viewership to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.